Ever wondered about the uses of epoxy? This versatile substance has a wide range of applications, from industrial uses to art and craft projects. Epoxy is a type of polymer that consists of two main components, resin and a catalyst or hardener. When these two components are mixed, a chemical reaction begins that leads to the material hardening. Epoxy has a plethora of uses. It can be used for coatings, providing a strong and attractive protection for floors, walls, and surfaces. It is also used as a powerful adhesive in heavy industries and for bonding parts in engineering projects. For the artistically inclined, it's utilized in creating artistic shapes, tables, jewelry, and other craft works. Moreover, it is used in repairs and maintenance, fixing fiberglass, metal, and concrete parts. If you are interested in working with epoxy, here are some basic steps to follow. Safety first. Always wear personal protective equipment like gloves, glasses, and masks. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area. Prepare by accurately measuring the components as per the instructions on the packaging. Mix the resin and hardener in the correct ratio, using a non-metal container and spoon for mixing. Apply the epoxy to the desired surface using tools like a brush or knife. Wait for the epoxy to dry completely as per the instructions, which can take from hours to days, depending on the product. Once dry, you can sand the epoxy to get a smooth surface and apply the final coating or finish. Epoxy uses are diverse, and each application requires different techniques. Always ensure to follow safety guidelines and read the manufacturer's instructions. Epoxy can be used for artistic casting, creating three-dimensional designs or artistic creations like furniture containing elements of nature such as wood and shells immersed in transparent epoxy. It is used in repair operations like restoring concrete or reinforcing infrastructure, providing good strength and durability. It is used in heavy industries as a coating resistant to chemicals and rust. Furthermore, it is used to wrap electronic components to protect them from moisture and heat. For better results with epoxy, follow these additional tips. Choose the right type of epoxy, as there are different types to suit different jobs. Test it on a small part before using it on a larger project to ensure it works well. Avoid air bubbles when mixing or applying the epoxy, and use tools like heat lamps or gas torches to remove bubbles. Ensure the surface you will apply the epoxy on is clean and free from oils or dirt to ensure good adhesion. With these tips and information, you can start using epoxy safely and effectively in your projects. It's a versatile and useful material that can be used in a wide range of applications, from industrial processes to creative art projects. Whether you're an engineer, a craftsperson, or a DIY enthusiast, understanding how to use epoxy can open up a world of possibilities for your work. So the next time you're planning a project, why not consider using epoxy? It might just be the perfect material for the job.